Demystifying the Phrase Formulary. Hello dear learners. Today, we're going to delve into a word that you might have come across but weren't entirely sure about its meaning. The word in question is formulary. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. So, let's get started. Formulary is primarily a noun. At its core, the term refers to a list. But it's not just any list. A formulary is a list of prescribed medicines. Think of it as an official list that is approved by those in authority. Especially in the context of health insurance or hospitals, a formulary lists the medicines that are covered or recommended. For instance, if you're under a health insurance plan, the company might have a formulary. This will tell you which medicines are covered and which ones you might need to pay out of pocket for. While today we mainly associate formulary with medicines, historically, it had a broader meaning. In ancient times, a formulary was a collection or reference book of formulas or set forms. This could be anything from legal documents to religious rites. In essence, it was a manual or guidebook for a specific domain, containing standardized information or procedures. But over time, its usage became more specialized, predominantly leaning towards the medical field. To ensure that you can confidently use this term, here are a few example sentences. 1. Before buying any medicine, check if it's on the formulary of our insurance plan. 2. The hospital's formulary is updated quarterly to include new approved medications. 3. Back in medieval times, a formulary could be a book listing various religious ceremonies. There you have it. The word formulary is all about lists, specifically those related to medicines in the modern context. It's a handy term to know, especially if you're dealing with health insurance or medical situations. We hope this video has been enlightening. Remember, language is a tool, and the more words you know, the more effectively you can communicate. Happy learning!